Hey everyone, try these beautiful hairstyles. Tie your hair in the middle and have a loop in the remaining section of the tail, then have it dropped into its own tail. Do the same again with the bottom section of the ponytail and drop the bigger one, go around the smaller one, secure it there behind it. Go for the twisted band again with the remaining hair, make 2 ponytails and make a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the other tail and make each of them go into the left side or the right side of it depending on the respective direction and how they remain ponytail. Have another loop with that and make the twisted band again with that and drop it inside the first one we created. And have it secured there by having hairpin and decorate it with your lovely hairpins of your choice. With the last loop of the rubber band on your ponytail, make a lump and split the lump into 2 and make it as a bow tie. Then make a very long hairpin go into it. Then with the remaining tail, have a loop and drop the tip into it and make the tail go to the top and secure it there in its place by having a hairpin. Have your beautiful hairpin insert from left to right on your ponytail, move it to the opposite direction, secure it there, comb the tail a little bit, have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin secured from top to bottom. This time have a hairpin attached from bottom to top and secure it on the opposite direction. Comb the tail a little bit. Have a rubber band attached to top part and with the last loop of the rubber band attached to the tail and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Go for a twisted band again, have a ponytail with the remaining hair and have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and have a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and bend the tail down and push it to the second rubber band's loop and have it secured there by having a bun by using a lovely hairpin of your choice. Grab a little strip of hair from the left side and it's been a very long time, braid it and attach it to a little strip of hair behind your ear on the right. Then do the same for the right strip of hair. Then you have completed it. It's a very simple hairstyle and drop your favorite hairpin in between the braid. Go for the twisted band again and the remaining hair have a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part and stuff the tail into the middle portion and move the bun to the top by securing it with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Drop your ponytail into its own loop and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the ponytail and have it stuffed inside the middle portion and move it to the top and secure it there by having a tutor hair clutcher and clutcher. And go for the buns and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part and bend the tail over and stuff it inside the middle portion and stretch and making a bun and move it to the top by securing it by a lovely hairpin of your choice. Have a big black hairpin attached to the bottom part of the ponytail and bring the tail back and stretch the tail a little bit for some volume. Have a rubber band attached in the bottom middle part and stuff the tail into it and push it even more further by having a hairpin. This time attach the black hairpin on the right and bring the tail to the left and comb it and stretch it for some volume and attach the rubber band in the top middle part and bring it to the left side and push it even more left by having a hairpin. With the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump and have a gap by using your finger behind your ponytail and drop the tail into it and hide it by extending the lump to the top and have it stretched there and have it attached to the lovely hair clutcher. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside, making a twist and pinch the hair on the twist, defining the design. Then have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached in the center. Add up the last loop of the rubber band, create a lump on your ponytail and behind the tail, have a gap created by using your finger and drop the tail along with the lump into it and close the ridge by combing it and have a very large hair clutcher. Have a long hairpin with beautiful suspension and twist your ponytail onto it, forming a bun and twist it around and make it secure on the opposite direction. Twist your super gorgeous hair on your index finger, making a hair roll and hide the tip beneath it and choose your favorite collection of hair clip attached from left to right and secure it in the opposite direction. Twist your lovely bunch and swirl it in a clockwise manner and hide the tip beneath the bun we created and have a very beautiful hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.